In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a ratio table, which is basically just a bunch of ratios all in a row, and they're all basically written like fractions. You just have them all in a box. So let's stick with the yellow and the red. So let's say we have 1 yellow for every 3 red. So our ratio would be 1 to 3, yellow to red. It's important if something asks you what is the ratio of yellow to red, that you write it in that same order. So yellow to red is 1 to 3. If you said yellow to red is 3 to 1, that would be incorrect. You have to do it in the same order that it's stated. So if we're going to do a ratio table, just draw out a little box. And you have 2 things. Ratios don't only have to be 2 things, they can be more than 2, but for starters we'll do 2. You've got, I'm not going to use red for that, since red is one of our colors. Yellow to red. Okay, and the first one will always go on the top. Yellow to red, yellow to red. So we have 1 to 3. So for every 1 yellow, we have 3 red. So let's say we had 5 yellow. Well, we had 5 yellow. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow. I might have to go get some more chips. We would have, see, I'm putting 3 for every 1. Grab some more real quick. Three to every 1. So we still have a 1 to 3 ratio, because for every 1 yellow there are 3 red throughout the whole thing. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this still, 5 to 15, is still a ratio of 1 to 3. Now, if you kind of want to look at a pattern, you can see that 1 was multiplied by 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just like with equivalent fractions, if you're going to multiply the top by 5, to get an equivalent fraction, you have to multiply the bottom number by the same thing. And 3 times 5 is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So ratios are always going to be either multiplying or dividing. In this case, it's multiplying. We could do one example where you would be where you could show division. So let's say this was 10. If I had 10 yellows, it would be double this whole thing. If I had 10 yellows, I would have 30 red. So with 10 and 30, well, now I want to find out how many I would have if I just had 2 yellow. Well, let's just take these away. Now I have 2 yellow and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red. Now in that case, if you wanted to go just from 10 to 30 back down to 2 to 6, then you could just divide each of these by 5. Now you're not always going to multiply by 5 and divide by 5, but it's just ended up that way for this problem. So ratios, when you're trying to find equivalent ratios, you're always multiplying or dividing the top and bottom number by the same number. And I think that's good enough for that one too.